how to change Google Chrome language back to English. So if you have mistakenly changed the Google Chrome language, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can actually follow to revert back to English. So firstly, open up your Google Chrome and open up the three lines icon that you're seeing on the top right corner, and here you can see the language is not in English. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a settings or the gear icon. The gear icon is always the settings icon. So simply tap on the gear icon, and from here select a globe-like icon that we can see here. And the first section is for languages. If you want to add languages, you can simply click on the first tab and you can see the bunch of options for the language. You just need to tap on any of the language and tap on the right hand side tab. And after you add the new language, it will stay on the bottom, and click on the three dots icon and tick mark on the box and tap on the second tab, and that's it. You have reverted back to English, and from here you can check mark on the English and relaunch the application. And this is how you can change Google Chrome language back to English. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.